Alright, so this is how to plug a tire. She's got a nail or a screw in her tire. So what we're going to do is extract the screw. If it still had a head on it, then we could just unthread it. But looks like she's been driving on it a while. Oh, that hurt. That's not bleeding yet. Fucking broke the handle. Yeah. Oops. A rubber cement. Oh, this one broke too. God damn. Fucking Harbor Freight plugs. Now to get it out. Alright, so Harbor Freight toolkit for a tire plug. That broke. That broke. I mean, you can't really fuck up the plugs, but, you know, pretty much crappiest shit ever. Don't attempt unless you have all these extra tools to make it freaking happen, because they're pieces of shit. Don't get me wrong, guys. I buy a lot of stuff from Harbor Freight, alright? But don't buy freaking hand tools, and don't buy tire plugs for damn sure. Unless you want busted knuckles and be stranded on the side of the road. So, heads up, don't buy the tire plugs.